simply. Hey guys, welcome again in my new video. As you saw in thumbnails, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock any Android smartphone's PIN pattern and password lock. And if your smartphone is locked due to many reasons, so I mean to say, and if you are watching this video, then I am sure that your smartphone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video properly till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked. For example, Samsung. Okay, if my previous video didn't work on your Samsung smartphone and your Samsung smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry. By the new method what I am going to give in this video, your any Samsung smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end firstly. Okay, further in this video I will tell you how can you remove any Samsung's password, PIN, pattern lock, fingerprint and face lock, okay, without any software, without any computer, and in just only 2 to 3 minutes. So before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your Samsung smartphone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your Samsung smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge of your Samsung smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of use this method to unlock your Samsung smartphone. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your Samsung smartphone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming videos. And for this, you must subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you are, if your Samsung smartphone will be unlocked with the help of this video, then do like the video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video to help you further. First of all, whenever your Samsung smartphone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cold mind. Watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your any Samsung mobile by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now you have to use the offline mode, and firstly, okay, in this offline mode, first of all, you have to click on the emergency call option from here. This is the emergency call option, and when your emergency call option comes in your mobile screen, I am telling you a very secret code, and you have to use that code to close all your background running applications. Okay, and this code is a star hash 457 123 966 star 121 11 and hash. This is the offline mode code, and from this code you can close all your background running applications from your phone. So you have to call this code for 3 times. When you start the calling, a call failed message has been appeared in your mobile screen. You have to ignore this message to click OK button. You have to repeat the same process for 2 times again. It means totally 3 times, 2 and 3. After that, you have to clear this mobile code, and after completing this process, the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode. Okay, meaning now you can see that this is the shortcuts menu and this is the airplane mode option. You have to click to activate the airplane mode option. Okay, meaning now the flight mode of your handset has to be activated. With activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have completed a stage, and now you have to take a new and most important step here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use that code to open engineer mode page also, and this code is star hash 899 and hash. Okay, you can see that the engineer mode will be activated in your smartphone. The page of master unlocking will come in your smartphone. Now you have to take some important step here. As you are looking at the number 5 options here, it is showing you the software version option. You have to open this software version option. Okay, now you have to click on the Android version option here. It means it has to be clicked as many times as it is written here, meaning now you have to click on Android version as many times. If you are showing Android version 10 here, 11 here, 12 here, 13 here, then you have to also click it for 10 times, 11 times, 12 times and 13 times. For example, this is Android version 12, so I have to click it for 12 times. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, as soon as this process of yours will be activated, will be completed, now you have to come back from this page. Okay, after this, now you have to click on the option above it, that is a manual test option, and this is the manual test option. You have to open this manual test option. Now now some new pages will come in your smartphone screen. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it from the sidebar, and you can see that this is the other page, and now you will seeing total 5 options here. You have to work in these options very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version 7 times or mainboard version 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. Okay, when you open it for the first time, you will be asked to confirm it, but you don't have to confirm it, cancel it. Okay, and now you have to repeat the same process for 2 times again. Click and cancel, click and cancel. Okay, but in the 4th time, you have to repeat the same process, but you have to click on OK button. Now you will see here your mobile password has gone to reset mode. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will be unlocked 100% completely. Now you have to go back to the device debugging page from this page, and you can see that this is the device debugging page. Okay, and here you will be seeing many options here, but you have to find a option which is named sensor self test and calibration. Now you have to open it. This is the sensor self test and calibration option. When you open this option, you will be seeing many options here. For example, 1 option, 2 option, 3 option, 4 option. Here all the options are in default operation not started mode. You have to start it automatically by touching it like that, and here you will get to see a message of a test pass message here. If your test pass message has come, then your work is done. But if you still don't see any test pass message here and the failure message is coming in all options, so understand, till now your test pass message will not come here. We'll keep doing this process again and again like that until your test pass message come in your mobile screen. And you can see that as you see any test pass message here. By the way, you will click on the home button here and you can see that your mobile password is completely unlocked and there is no any photo, video and data loss of your smartphone. In this way you can unlock any kind of mobile password. If your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 2 to 3 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock any type of mobile password. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.